Hello dears, welcome to Excel tutorials from COMTick. So in this episode we're gonna learn very nice functions which are sum, count, COUNTA, average, min and max. It would be very nice if you subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So let's start. So the first function is sum. Sum is used to sum up a range of numbers. The next function is count. Count is used to count the cells which contain value, and it is only used with numbers. The next one is COUNTA. COUNTA is used to count the number of cells which contains numbers and characters. So the next one is average. Average is used to find the average value from a range of numbers. Min is used to find the minimum value from a range of numbers. And the next one is max, which is used to find the maximum value from a range of numbers. So here's the general structure for all the functions. First we have to start with an equal sign, then the name of this function, and we have to select a range of numbers or cells. In order to understand, let me give an example. So first let's have some numbers here, like, so if I want to sum all these numbers, so we type equal sign, the name of our function which is sum, and we select the range of numbers and enter. So the sum of these all numbers are 369. And the next one is count. Count is also used to count the cells which contains the number value. For example, equal sign, count, so we have the function count, so we select. Here we have 7 numbers, and the count function doesn't work for cells which contain numbers or empty. For example, equal sign count, so let me select this range of cells and enter 0, so it doesn't count. Or if you have some character here, the count function doesn't count them, like number, or we have sum. So now let me count the cells with count, so it only counts the cells which contain the numbers. Equal sign, so count, so we select these cells and enter. So again it is 7, it only counts the cells which contains number. So the next one is COUNTA. COUNTA is used to count any cells which contains a value. It doesn't matter whether a number or a character. For example, equal sign COUNTA, we have COUNTA, so we select this, so enter. See, it is 9, so 7, 8 and 9. So next we have average. Average is used to find the average value from a range of numbers. So again we have equal sign, average function, and we select this range of numbers and enter. The average for this number is 64.6. And the next one is min. Min is used to find the minimum value from a range of numbers. So again equal sign, the function min, and select these numbers, so enter. 12 is the minimum value in this range. And the next one is max, which is the opposite of min. It is used to find the maximum value from a range of numbers. So again we have equal sign, max, this range of numbers and enter, which 90 is the maximum value in this range. So in order to understand, let me give you a practical example. So as you see, here is a payroll for our employers or employees. So from this payroll I'm gonna find out that how much money the COMTick pays for the employers and employees, and I'm gonna find out who gets the highest salary, who gets the lowest salary, and how many employers or employees are there. So if you find out the total salary, so we have the formula equal sum, so we use from sum function and we select all the salaries and enter, which the total salary is around $10,000. Now let's find who gets the highest salary. So for this we need to use from max function, so equal sign max, and we select the range of salaries and enter. So the high salary is $1,980, which belongs to this person, which is Jamila. And let me find the lowest salary. So for this we have to use from main function =main. So this is the function, and we select all the salaries and enter. So the lowest salary is $430, which belongs to this person, which is Fatima. And we can count the number of the employers. So here we know that we have 10 employers, but think that there are a bunch of employers. So in this case, it is important that we should know this function =count and select. So there are 10 workers, and if you want to find the average money in this month, again we can use from the function of average =average, select the salaries and enter, which the average salary is around $1,000. So dears, that's it, how these functions work. I hope you understood. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. So have a great time. Bye bye.